Hello friends, and welcome to Load of Crock. Spring is here, and for me, spring always triggers the classic spring cleaning, house, closets, and generally for me, after a long, cozy winter, putting myself back together again. And so I thought, before we get too far into spring and even summer, and before we get too far into all the cleaning and kind of putting ourselves back together after winter, I would share with you a dish that's not so put together. In fact, some people may even call it sloppy. That's right, grab your crock pots because we're making sloppy joes. About 6 years ago on a football Sunday, fall, in our home, I decided to make my own sloppy joes. So I figured out this recipe, and then the following dialogue took place. Me and my significant other. Sloppy joes are ready. Oh, what kind are they? They're the kind that I made. Yeah, but I mean, like, what kind are they? I don't know, the kind that are in the crock pot and ready? Yeah, but what was the name on the can? I'm sorry, the can? So it was a revelation for me because I guess sloppy joes come in a can. So you might be thinking, why on earth would I make them in a crock pot when I can just get them from the can? But trust me, this is so easy. You will not regret trying this. 5 ingredients only: hamburger, brown sugar, tomato sauce or ketchup, mustard, and Worcestershire sauce. And that is it. So watch as I throw these not from a can sloppy joes together. Fry up 1 to 1.5 pounds of hamburger and place it in your crock pot. Following this, add 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 6 ounces of tomato sauce or ketchup. After this, you'll add 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, and finally 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard. Mix it all up really well, ensuring all of the meat is fully coated. I put this on low for 2 hours. That really helped thicken everything up. So if you were thinking, gosh, that looks extra sloppy, don't worry. If you put it on low, the longer it's on low, the more it will thicken up. And then I moved it to warm, and you can serve right away or whenever you are ready. One tip, or actually substitution, that I want to share: if you want them a little bit thicker right away from the get-go and don't want to necessarily put them on low to thicken up, you can always substitute ketchup for the tomato sauce, and that will make them thicker right away. And that's it. A perfect dish as we make this transition into spring. Thanks to all of you that are subscribed and watching this Load of Crock channel. I am so thankful for everybody's continued interest and support. If you are not subscribed, we'd love to have you as part of this Load of Crock community. All you have to do is click on the red subscribe button, and then make sure you also click on that little bell. That way then you will be alerted every time a new video and recipe are posted. And we do have a website as well, myloadofcrock.com, and that is where all of my recipes, along with how to serve and how to put together and just general Load of Crock tips, are available. So friends, as we get ready for spring, please check out these very not put together, very not from a can sloppy joes.